Ano-ano ang mga gagawin mo kapag may jowa ka o may boyfriend or asawa kang narcissist? Pero unang-una sa lahat, ano ba ang ugali ng isang narcissist? So, eto na. So, number one, ang tingin ng mga tao, ang mga narcissist, they only love themselves, self-centered, sarili lang nila iniisip nila, wala silang pakialam sa ibang tao, pero there's more to it. So, isa sa mga sinabi nila is they are love bombing. Ano ba yung sabihin ng love bombing? Alam mo, parang bombing or bombing, whatever. Umpisa pa lang ng relationship, wala na sila ibang ginawa kundi pakita sa'yo mahal na mahal ka nila. They give you everything. Binibigay nila lahat ng gifts, whatever they want. Basta ma-feel mong, oh my gosh, this is the person I wanted to be with. Parang ganun yung papafeel niya sa'yo. But really, the reason why they are love bombing, it's because mini-mirror ka nila. Mini-mirror nila kung ano yung tipo ng taong gusto mo. Ano yung tipo ng pagmamahal na gusto mo. At kung ano man yun, whatever it is, they're going to be the missing puzzle sa buhay mo at gagawin, kumbaga, if-fill nila lahat ng gaps na yun. But take a look and make sure that you watch all over those behaviors because alam mo gagawin nila next. Just few months, they're going to tell you that you are, they're going to blame you for everything. Like, pag may nagawa kang mali, gagamitin nila lahat yon para ibato sa'yo. Gamitin nila lahat yon para may masabi sa'yo mali. They're going to use those as an instrument para magamit nila yun, magbalik sa'yo lahat. Gumawa ka lang ng isang pagkakamali, lahat ng ginawa nila, ibabalik nila sa'yo. Like, ako ginawa ko sa ito, ganyan-ganyan. And then here you are, dahil may isip mo na parang ang bait-bait niya before, mahal na mahal naman niya ako, baka nga ako yung mali. Hindi mo na ngayon bibigyan yung sarili mo i-question kung tama ba yung ginagawa niyang behavior towards you because all this time you thought, he's a good person, mali lang talaga ako. And then eto na, dahil yung mamimiss mo mamimiss mo yung magandang behavior niya, mamimiss mo na naging mabait siya sa'yo. Gagawin mo ngayon lahat para mabalik yung ugali na yun. Anything that you do bad, they're going to throw everything that he did in the past, magaganda niyang ginawa against you, and tell you na hindi mo na mababalik yung dati kong ugali kasi ganito ka, ang sama na ugali mo, whatever. They're going to use anything na magagamit nila, na ginawa nilang maganda para sa'yo, para magawan ka ng pangit or masama. One example is, pag ng lalaki or ng babae yan, ang sasabihin nila sa'yo, bakit? Ganto ba ako dati? Mabait naman ako dati Mahal naman kita ng umpisa. Pero anong ginawa mo? Yan, dyan nagsisimula yan. And then they're going to think na lahat ng ginagawa nila, yun lang yung mabuti. Wala kang ginawang tama. Sounds familiar? And ikaw ngayon, tinatanggap mo lang lahat ng sinasabi niya. Mura, pananakit, lahat. Because it's your fault. Yun ang nakatatak sa isip mo. Which is wrong. Maling-mali. You know what I suggest if you are in this kind of relationship? Here it goes. Dito na tayo sa kung anong gagawin mo. Number one, kapag ramdam na ramdam mo yung pagmamanipula niya because they're going to manipulate you thinking that you are the one who's wrong every time. Kahit na siya naman talaga may ginawang mali, gagawin niya lahat. Igagaslight ka niya, like sabihin niya sa'yo, baliw ka lang. Kung ano-ano lang pinag-iisip mo. O kaya sabihin niya sa'yo, alam mo, kasalanan mo yan. Alam mo ba't ka nag-iisip ng ganyan? Kasi ganito ka, ganyan ka Yan. So here's what you're going to do. And I suggest you actually do this. I'm not an expert, but I've seen people, I've suggested this to people, and it worked for them. Number one, start believing that you are capable of more. Yes, more. Everything in this world you are capable of. What do I mean by that? These narcissist people tell you that you are not good enough, you're not smart, you can't do shit. Yan sila Sasabihin nila sa'yo. Gagamitin nila lahat ng mga kapalpakan mo in the past to make you believe that you are not worth anything kesa sa tao na yon. Kumbaga, alam mo yon, kaya maraming babae o maraming lalaki na kahit na ang pangit na ng treatment sa kanila, lahat na ng pangit na treatment ginawa na sa kanila, hindi pa rin sila umaalis kasi tinatatak sa utak nila ng mga taong to na kapag umalis ka sa akin, wala ka na makukuha any better. But unfortunately, para sa kanya, you can do anything. Lahat kaya mo. You're smart, you're beautiful, you have skills, you have talents, and you can do anything. So number one, start believing that you can do anything and start working on yourself. Start working on your skills, start working on your craft. Number two, whenever may sinasabi to sa yung tao na to na para bang sinisigaw-sigawan ka, sinasabihan ka ng masama, kung ano-anong sinasabi sa'yo through call, through chat, mga masasakit na salita, reply mo lang, okay. Okay, tapos ka na? Tulog na ako ha. Ang dami-dami niyang pinagsabi. Tapos sabihin mo lang, okay. Tulog na ako ha. Make them feel that you don't give a fuck. You know what these guys or these people hate the most? Kapag hindi na nila mamanipula yung kausap nila. Kapag lahat ng gagawin niya, like for example, nalaman mo, sinabi niya sa'yo na, may bago na ako, ng babae na ako, whatsoever. Or ikaw, sasabihin niya, may bago na akong lalaki sa buhay ko. Sabi mo, good for you. I'm happy for you. Totoo lang. Then let them know na, I'm about to see somebody else too. May kikitain na rin ako, may kipag-date na lang din. May kipag-date na actually ako today. So I'm happy for you. Alam mo gagawin yan? Sasabog ang utak niyan mga day. This is where ikaw mga kagante. Fuck up their brains. Fuck their mind up. Sabihin nyo sa kanila yung mga ayaw nilang gawin mo. Alam mo, wala ibang gagawin nyo. Kundi text ka, tawagan ka, guluhin ka. Pagsasabihan ka ng masasalita, na masasama, sabi mo, oh my God, you're so obsessed with me. Stop being obsessed with me. Number 3. Watch out for the behavior. When you're already mastering what you're doing, o walang ka na ng pakialam sa kanya, you're already doing great. Magaling ka na sa sakit, sa lahat, and you're already doing great. You have your own career, whatsoever. Guys, by the way, all of this is not going to be easy. It's going to be months and months of working on yourself, okay? Now, pag nakikita na niya na you're doing your best, you're already doing great, babalik siya sa attitude kung kailan mo siya mahal na mahal. Babalik yung love bombing. Bibigay niya ulit lahat ng mga gusto mo. Now, this is the trick, okay? And this is where you should be looking out. You should look out for yourself. Kasi gagawin niya to para makuha ka ulit. And most of people, dito sila nafo-fall sa trap at dito sila bumabalik ulit. Alam mo yun, nakaka-move on. Alam mo yun, di ba totoo yun? Kung kailan nakaka-move on ka na, saka sila babalik. But guys, you have to understand, the reason why they're doing this is because wala na silang mamanipula. And ikaw ang favorite nilang mamanipula. Sasabihin nila sa'yo ulit lahat ng pangako. Lahat. But guys, hindi na babait yung mga yan. Wala nang pag-asa yan. The only reason why they're going back to you because namimiss nilang manipulahin ka. Okay? Hindi dahil mahal ka nila. It is sad, but it's the truth. And you know what's good about this and what's the best thing about doing this and being able to achieve all of this, you know, ma-perfect mo yung tatlo? You'll become the best version of yourself. And you'll start to love yourself more. Sa totoo lang. Makikita mo yung ganda mo, makikita mo yung talents mo, makikita mo that you're growing as a person, hindi ka na stuck sa isang taong ang tingin sa'yo maliit ka lang. Start choosing yourself. Start loving yourself. Kahit pa sabihin mo may anak kayo, may pamilya kayo, pero hindi ka naman masaya. Paulit-ulit ka rin namang ginagago, niloloko. You have to understand na hindi naman ikaw ang sumira ng pamilya nyo, pero yung tao na yun. Choose yourself every time. Kapag natuto kang mahalin yung sarili mo, mas madali mong mamamahal yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Bye!